Getting organised doesn't have to be about curating a Pinterest perfect home. Hi, I'm Marissa from beautifulyorganised.com. For me and most of my clients, organising is about making our day-to-day lives easier, especially when we have young children at home. It's about setting up our home so that everyday tasks flow smoothly, the house is easy to maintain and keep clean, and things don't completely fall apart when we've had an extra hard day and can't be on top of everything, or when we want to take some time off to relax. Over the last 10 plus years, I've realised that over time I've curated a set of organising rules. These have become staples in my daily life because they're easy to remember, they're easy to action, and they make my life so much easier. So here they are in case they help you too. Don't put it down, put it away. I think we've all heard this one, and for good reason. It's honestly not that much extra effort to keep walking and put that thing away where it belongs instead of just dumping it where you are. Let's face it, once you put it down, it's double the effort to pick it up again later and put it away. A place for everything, everything in its place. Another phrase we've all heard before. It's simple, it's easy to remember, and it makes perfect sense. When your items have a home to belong to, they're not clutter. Put stuff where you look for it first. Do you find yourself losing a particular item and always starting at the same place when you're looking for it? That's a sign to start keeping it there instead. If you haven't used it in a year, let it go. It's taking up space and probably making you feel guilty whenever you see it. If you can borrow or replace it quickly and easily, let it go. Most of the things that end up as clutter in our homes are things that we keep just in case we need them later. But so many of these can be borrowed, camping gear for example, or replaced cheaply and easily if we need them. Op shops are great for things that you only need every now and again. You can spend a couple of dollars instead of 20 plus and donate it again when you're done with it. Make the items you use daily the easiest to access and put away. If you use your toaster or blender each morning, don't store it at the back of your cupboard. Keep it somewhere where it's easy to reach when you want to get it out and it's quick and easy to put it back again too. Keep like items together. Chargers can go in a box together, band-aids and bandages can go into the medicine cabinet, papers can get filed straight after you open and action them, shoes can go into the shoe basket, hair elastics can go into the top drawer in the bathroom. Wait 24 hours before purchasing that impulse buy. If you really want it that badly or need it that much, it's going to be worth the extra trip back to go and get it tomorrow. If you can't be bothered going back the next day, you didn't really need or want it after all. Save yourself the money and stop yourself from bringing in the clutter. Develop a routine, rhythm, or pattern. My bathroom is easy to clean because I just follow the same pattern every time I clean it. Rubbish out, take care of the mirror, the sink, then the bath, then the toilet, then the floors. And I clean the shower at night when I'm in it. It's almost on autopilot now and it doesn't feel like a big job anymore. When I'm hand washing dishes, it feels easier when I follow this pattern. Glasses first, then mugs and cups, then lunch boxes, cutlery, bowls, plates, chopping boards, and pots and pans. If I do it this way, it's quick, it's easy, I hardly think about it, and the water stays cleaner for longer. Organise a small space at a time. Don't do a whole room at once. You will get overwhelmed, interrupted, tired, and it will end up looking even messier. Don't even do a whole cupboard. Start with one shelf and come back tomorrow and do the next one. Those are my favourite organising rules to make my life easier. I hope you found them helpful. I'd love to hear yours too in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Could you see that in shot? It's been next to me the whole time. Okay, there's no neighbourhood dogs barking. We are good to go.